Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hi buddy, welcome to this video. Tata Consultancy Services is conducting its national qualifier test, that is TCS Nqt, which is basically an assessment test to check your competencies and skills. And with a good score in TCS Nqt, you can apply to various corporate jobs, and you can also apply to the job openings in TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services and Tata Electronics. And there are various brands that recognize TCS Nqt today, and this one is specially for TCS hiring. It is here special edition of TCS Nqt for TCS hiring, and graduates from 2019 and 2020 batch can only apply to this exam. And this test is going to be conducted on 10th of March 2021, and they have only limited seats. So if you are really interested in taking this TCS Nqt on March 2021, please do register on or before 27th of February 2021. And now let's see who can apply for this TCS Nqt. So UG, PG and diploma students in their pre-final or final year can apply, and students with any degree in any specialization can apply, and freshers can also apply, but they should have less than 2 years of experience in any field. And as I said, there are various brands that recognize TCS Nqt today. All the brands are given here, and these are the TCS Nqt variants. You have industry Nqt, subject Nqt, but for industry and subject you just need to complete Nqt cognitive level, which is a basic one. You have to complete that, and then only you can apply for industry and subject. And here are the reasons why you should take TCS National Qualifier Test. You have unlimited attempts aligned with industry, structure test, increased visibility, all the things are given here. And this is the structure for TCS Nqt. You have to register, you have to select your Nqt variant, and then you have to take your test, and you will get a score which will be valid for 2 years. And with that you can apply for various corporate jobs according to the eligibility criteria. And if you have any questions, do check the FAQ section. There are a lot of questions addressed here. You have nearly 23 questions has been already addressed here. So before you take any test, always have the habit of checking FAQs, that is frequently asked questions. A lot of things will be addressed here, like eligibility criteria, when is the test, how is the selection, everything will be addressed here. So that's why I'm telling you every time, check FAQs before you register for anything. So now let's see how to register for this TCS Nqt for March 2021. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, can you do that first? Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. Now let's get back to the content and see how to register for this Tata Consultancy Services National Qualifier Test. So first click on login and log in to your TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub. So let me click on login here. And if you already have a TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub account, give your email ID and password and log in to your account. And if you are new to TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub, click on create account, and you will be landing on a page like this in which you have to fill in your details like your name, email ID, and you have to set your password for your account, and you have to confirm it by retyping it. And then if you wish, you can give your phone number and retype the captcha and check this box and click on create account to create your TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub account. So let me log into my account first and catch up after that. So once you log into TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub, click on the register now button here. And now we are in the registration page for TCS National Qualifier Test, and here they have given some additional eligibility criteria, like you should have a minimum of 6 CGPA throughout an academics, and you shouldn't have any active backlogs. So make sure that you fill in all these eligibility criteria before you apply for this TCS Nqt, and make sure that you are giving your email ID and mobile number correctly, because those are the details that will be used to communicate with you. And these are the details that you need to fill for the registration, like your name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, and then you have to give your educational qualification details and test details. And test details is something which you cannot change now, because as I said, TCS Nqt cognitive test is a mandatory one for industry Nqt and subject Nqt. So you have to first take a cognitive test. So you can't change anything here. So leave it as it is and move on to the next section, which is examination details. So you have to select your state preference and city preference, and you have to answer this question whether you are a person with disability, and then you have to upload your photograph here and type the characters that you see here, whatever you see in your registration page, and then you have to check this box and click on the submit button to submit your application for TCS National Qualifier Test March 2021. So this is the content for this video. Tata Consultancy Services is conducting its National Qualifier Test on 10th of March 2021. If you wish to take this exam, please do register before 27th February 2021. And I hope you find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, internships, job updates, and workshops, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram. As I said, I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.